Hello everyone, thank you for coming to my unboxing. Today we are unboxing the BTS recipe book. This book was on sale through Weaver's shop starting end of July, and it came in the mail about early October, the first week. And so this recipe book showcases several recipes that the BTS members use as they make food, and also incorporates their song lyrics. So let's take a look. I love the green color on this. It's vibrant. And it's a great size for a recipe book, perfect on the counter. And it does include a special gift, which is this little photo frame in there. So let's take a quick look at it. I like to use a box cutter when I'm opening, just because I can lightly open the book or package without tearing into it. So let's carefully open this. Take a first look at this frame. It says BTS recipe book. Photo here. It looks like a magnet. Perfect to have in your kitchen. And yes, it will go great on the refrigerator. I still have one that's magnetic, thankfully. So I could use this. It says you could take a photo while you're making food just to create memories. So that's a fun little special item. So this book was inspired by some comments that they had made during their In the Soup videos about making different food. This particular one is the global edition. It was a little cheaper to purchase the global edition and having it sooner, and so I opted for that one. However, it should still have English and Korean on it. So let's take a look. Beautiful, vibrant photos. And there's a nice introduction too. It's raining, shall we have some pajeon today? J-Hope asked the other BTS members one rainy day on In the Soup. So this is what sparked the beginning of this recipe book. And again, I apologize for the lighting. I am trying to use natural lighting, and so my shades are providing a little bit of shadow. However, hopefully you can still see this book. I'm going to go ahead and remove this outer sleeve as I flip through it. Don't want to damage it. So we'll set that to the side. And let's take a look at what sort of recipes we have. So again, here are some of the songs they're referencing and their song titles and different foods that you can eat as you listen through the music. I love how they paired that. Also has what utensils they use. I think this is quite helpful for you as you gather your kitchen utensils, and also the type of ingredients they'll be using. All looks fairly simple, things that you can purchase from an Asian grocery store. Some of these even from your local American grocery store. Different seasonings, spices, and sauces. And great introduction for any person making food for the first time or just needing a refresher. It looks like they're making rice the traditional way from a pot on the stove. Of course, it's easier to use a rice cooker and quicker. Looks like basic instructions on creating broths and more pictures of them eating and cooking. Great inspiration, right? So here's one of the songs, Go Go, and love the vibrant pictures Love how they list all the ingredients and the difficulty of making each one of these. And they say whether or not it's nut-free, which is quite helpful for those who have allergies. Different areas of them talking. Really just a fun book. It's also in Korean and English, so you could double this up as a great way to practice your Korean, even if you needed another excuse to buy one more BTS item. So I love how they're using this stove, not necessary for regular cooking, but having that propane or gas stove helps with the timing and temperature as you make food. Again, goes through all these different recipes and really basic foods in a Korean household, and I love that. I love how it's very step by step, really guides you through it while putting in these little Easter egg images. You could really read this book even without cooking, although cooking would be the main purpose, hopefully, for you to purchase this. Makes a great collector's item. I'm going to flick through this just a little faster. Grab that last page. And again, the lighting is a little off. Sorry for that. But again, I hope you get a good quick look at this, and hopefully this will convince you whether or not you need this in your collection, whether it's in your recipe book collection, BTS collection, Korean language collection, K-pop souvenir, whatever it is. There's a lot here, and I love the QR codes which show you videos probably on how to cook it. So they're really guiding you through everything. And a lot of these foods I've wanted to cook for a long time and not known how to. So I love that. Really great classic recipes. And at the end, it does talk about question and answers for each one of the members, what they like to eat, different fun things. So that'll be a nice read also. So love this book. It's about 252 pages. That's what it says. And I'm sure I will get a lot of use out of either using it, looking at the photos, all of that. So I'm quite happy with this purchase. And I hope this helps you decide if you want one also. And I hope it's available if you do. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing. Thank you. Bye-bye.